Hello everyone, this is Sharvani Tamaskar and today we are going to be making Slender Loris monkey. Let's discuss who exactly is this animal. It is basically a nocturnal animal that is only active at night. They have a forward facing eyes and human like hands with an opposable thumb. The term loris means clown in Dutch. It has mostly to do with the way it looks and how the humans can distinguish them. Let's discuss the materials that we might need for today's craft. So first of all, you will need these three colored paper. Next, we will require a scale for measurement, a straw, an eraser and pencil, a pair of scissors and a glue. So let's start. First, I will take this ochre colored paper and I will start measuring 8 centimeters. Also measure a 4 centimeters line from here. You can decide how long you want your monkey to be. Since slender loris monkeys are comparatively small, they are normally only of 22 centimeters and about 240 grams in weight and height. So I would prefer taking 16 centimeters from the top. Now we are going to measure 4 centimeters from the top and 4 centimeters from the bottom. We'll cut from this part. This is the main body of the loris monkey and these are the hands, these are the legs. Now we will take a straw, we will attach it here and roll it up. For that we will use a glue. Now that we are done gluing, you can see this swings properly. Now we will get on to the next stage. I will now take the remaining piece of paper and cut out a tail. While we are at this, did you know that there are total 9 species of loris monkey, which is absolutely fascinating. Now we will move on to the eyes. Since slender loris monkeys have huge red eyes, we will take a red chart paper and draw 2 circles. We have drawn 1 circle. Rather than drawing 2, I would suggest fold this paper in half and cut it out. This way we will get 2 circles just like that. Did you know that slender loris monkeys live only for 25 years? And their movements are similar to that of a snake due to their twisted movements, and they are said to have more vertebrates than a normal primate does. It is also said that they are endangered species due to the continuous hunting in the Asian countries. They are said to have cure for 100 diseases. Can you believe that? But due to that, their habitat has been completely destroyed and they are now considered endangered. If we don't save them any sooner, they can completely vanish, which is absolutely scary. We don't want any animal to go away from this planet Earth. Now we will attach this face over here We will put the eyes. This is how the monkey will look. Pretty cute. Also, we will fold their legs upright like this. For that, bent. Now we will work on sticking them together. Now we will move on to the ears. Since they have curvy ears, we will first again fold this paper in a half. We will draw an ear here, right in this corner. Now, a monkey is still far from being completed. In order to make their eyeballs, I have cut out these black circles which I will be attaching them. We will move on to attaching this on the straw. There we are done, but we are still not completed. We still have to add on the features of the face. For the face, we will take this yellow paper once again and we will cut out a small circle that fits this frame. Now, we will take a black marker or a black sketch pen, anything that you like, and draw on this. These will be the nostrils, and we will give it a huge smile. Now that we are done with the monkey, this is how it will look. It absolutely smells perfectly. And that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something about Slender Loris Monkey from today's session. Thank you so much for watching.